I got a little fired up this morning. Got an email from a patient, and I'm so thankful that I got this email. It got me to express exactly what I needed to express about the nervous system. Now, this person's emailing me about all kinds of itchiness, and every time they receive their adjustment, there seems to be a change in their itchiness. It increases. And so, what's going on? What's happening? And this person's taking all the blood tests they can find. They're doing other medications that they're trying to come off of because they're affecting her mentally in a negative way. And she's getting this histamine response. It's flaring up crazy in her life. And she sent me this big email about the nature of how histamine's released in her body and how their body's having all these allergic reactions. She's trying to give me the nervous system, the brain organ responsible for it, the histamine and how it affects the hypothalamus, and on and on. This email goes on about the biological, the physiological details, yet there's a missing common factor. It's the what controls, what coordinates, what regulates, what perceives, what helps make the choices, what relays the information is the nervous system, the central nervous system, the peripheral nervous system. They're all part of the same complex, the central and peripheral nervous system. When there's pressure, tension, or other forces acting on that nervous system, the communication patterns change. Your body starts to go into a adaptive physiology, means it's acting in a way that is not for optimal health. It's acting in a way to survive. And that doesn't mean your body feels healthy. So when the nervous system pressure comes off, when the body can literally change its structure, and the most predictable and reliable structure correction method is known as advanced biostructural correction, ABC. When this tension can come off the nervous system, symptoms are resolved. Of course, we need to supply good nutrition and in a sufficient amount. Of course, we need to purify and detoxify. Of course, we need to balance our mental well-being. And we also need to balance our energetic, our non-physical structures. These are energy fields around us that are affected by things such as Wi-Fi, affected by things such as other EMF waves. So when we balance our environment and we balance our physical structure, we balance our mental structure, life is experienced comfortably. If these symptoms were not present, she would not have an issue. She has an issue, that's why the symptoms are present. And this issue has to do with the nervous system. All issues at the foundational level are subservient to the status and function of the nervous system. Chiropractic, and there's all forms of chiropractic, their job, their intention is to reestablish and rebuild and remodify the structure to support the optimal functioning of the nervous system. It's that simple. I rambled on for about 3.5 minutes, though this is the critical nature of what chiropractors do, what I do in this practice, and you can begin to learn how to help yourself. I'm Dr. Kevin G. Check me out, drkeving.com.